Dear students, good morning. How are you all? I am your physics teacher, Shafiq Malik, from Pakistan International School, Doha-QATAR. As you know, in our previous lecture, we have studied about kinetic energy and its different forms. Today, we will discuss a new topic, energy chain and energy converters in the first unit, work and energy, of grade 8th physics. Therefore, all of you please open your science book, page number 10. Learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to show a range of energy conversions. Describe how energy is converted into another type of energy. Converting energy or energy chain. Dear students, when work is done, energy is used. However, this energy does not disappear, it changes, or converts, from one type to another. This is called an energy chain. In the given figure on your book, page number 10, the boy holding a ball has chemical energy which he gets from the food he eats. When he throws the ball in an upward direction, this chemical energy is converted into kinetic energy. When the ball reaches the highest point, it has potential energy. When it falls to the ground, this potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. At the last, when the ball hits the wall, this kinetic energy is converted into thermal energy. In this way, energy changes from one form to another form, but the total amount of energy remains the same. Law of conservation of energy. Scientists formulated a law, which is called the law of conservation of energy. According to this law, energy cannot be made or destroyed, but it can change from one form to another. Our next topic is energy converters. A device that converts one form of energy into another form is called an energy converter. The energy converter takes input energy and converts it into output energy. Here are a few examples of energy converters. Hair dryer. A hair dryer converts electrical energy into thermal or heat energy. Car engine. The car engine converts chemical energy of fuel into thermal energy, and when the car moves, this thermal energy is converted into kinetic energy. Microphone. In a microphone, sound energy from a person's voice is converted into electrical energy. Gas stove. Gas stove converts chemical energy of gas into thermal energy, which is used for cooking food. Television. In television, electrical energy is converted into sound and light or radiated energy. Heat or thermal energy is also produced, which is lost to the surrounding air. Similarly, our body muscles convert less than 1/5 of the energy in our food into kinetic energy. The rest is lost as thermal energy, which passes into the air. This is why we sweat. Dear students, we have now gone through the entire chapter. In the next class, we will start the exercise questions. Thank you.